seems quite ugly.
Maybe he's been deeply in thought with this marriage.
I wonder why he's still thinking about getting married. He is already 30 years old, and I'm pretty sure Esperanza is becoming anxious.
She doesn't seem to be in much of a hurry either.
How can a woman be in a hurry when the man does not hurry her? Papa, do you remember how much in love he was?
In love? With whom?
With Esperanza, of course. He has not had another love affair that I know of. What I mean is at the beginning, he was enthusiastic. Flowers, serenades, notes and things like that. What do you think happened?
I suppose long-engaged people are like that. Warm now, cool soon. I think they're often cooler than love. The bare fact that an engagement has been allowed to prolong itself argue uncertain placidity of a temperament or of affection on either or both. That phrase you're speaking of is natural enough for a beginning. Besides, that as I see it, was Alfredo Lazaro to escaping it? A last spurt of hot blood.
Well, yes, that suppose could be a reason.
Good morning, miss. I am Juan Salazar, and I'm with my son, Alfredo Salazar. Is Judge Di Valle inside?
Good morning. Yes, I will call my kuya, so please come in.
Oh, thank you, miss.
Kuya, there's someone looking for you.
Oh, hi there, my friend.
Wait,
It's good to see you again.
It's good to see you.
By the way, this is my wife, Ovalio.
Oh, hello.
Hi, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
And this is my sister-in-law, Julia.
Oh, you are Julia. Yes. And I'm with my beloved son, Alfredo.
Okay.
So, why don't we play a chess?
Okay, it's good.
I'll do the first move.
Are you getting bored? This might take long. Do you want to go somewhere else?
Will you excuse us for a minute?
Oh, sure.
Oh, I heard you know how to play piano, Miss Del Valle.
Oh no, my ate Abelia knows.
Huh? I thought you're the sister of the Judge Del Valle. It's my mistake why I called you Miss Del Valle.
No, it's okay. It seems I don't look like my sister at all. Anyways, I am the sister of his wife, my ate Abelia. Anyways, my name is Julia Salas, but you can call me Julia.
Why did you tell me that sooner?
I remember a similar experience before. There is the one guy that I keep on calling him Manalo, but his name is Manala.
Oh, that explains me why you keep on laughing this whole time while you are explaining to me.
Nakatulong ba nung thinking this whole time you had gone.
No, my Ate Abella asked me to stay until they are ready to go.
This judge will come too.
Yes. Mr. Salazar, I wish to congratulate you
For what?
for upcoming wedding. I have said that long before, but I guess that I was late for the news.
Our wedding is in person to you.
When with all my friends, yes.
Would you come if I ask?
When will it be?
May, would you come?
Why not?
No reason. I'm just asking, will you?
If you will ask me,
And I will ask you.
and I will be there.
Why would Calista do such a thing? Well, what of it?
You're very positive about her badness.
What do you approve? She did.
No!
Well,
All I say, this is not necessarily weak.
why shouldn't it be? You talk like an immoral man. I did not know your ideas were like that.
My ideas? The only I test to conduct is fairness. Am I injuring anybody? No! I'm just justified with my conscience. Living with a man with whom when she's not married. It may be wrong. And again, it may be not.
Why do you get angry? I do not understand you at all. I think I know why you have been so indifferent with me lately. I am not blind or deaf. I see and hear what perhaps some are trying to keep from me. Why don't you speak up frankly before it's too late? You need not to think of me and of what people will say.
Yes, one tries to be fair according to his life, but it is hard. What would you like to be fair? Oneself first. But it's too easy. One does not dare.
What do you mean? Whatever my shortcomings, and no doubt there are many in your eyes, I have never gone out of my way, of my place, to find the man.
Esperanza, if you suppose
You mean you want to take back your word? If you're tired of, why did you tell me you're tired?
Nakatulong ba?
Alfredo, will you love her, honor, and cherish her, and forsake all others, even to the point of death? Esperanza, will you love her, honor, and cherish her, and forsake all others, even to the point of death?
Kung paglisan lang ang paraan, bataw